How to use Shein gift cards online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Shein gift card online. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to shein.com. Make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now you simply want to explore the website and add the items you want to purchase in your cart. If you click on the cart icon over here, you can find all of the items that you have added. Now you can click on the view cart option. As you can see, all the items are here. Simply select the items that you want to check out, then click on the option of check out now. Once you get on this page, make sure to enter your shipping address, then choose your shipping options. After that, select your payment methods. Now on the right hand side corner, you have the option to enter your coupon code and gift card code. Now to redeem your gift card, you simply want to enter your gift card code on the first box. Then on the second box, enter your gift card PIN. After this, click on the apply option. If the details you've entered are correct, the gift card will be successfully used over here. Then tap on the place order option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.